Hello, I'm Dani. Welcome to the workshop. Today's topic is SolidWorks User Group. If you want to learn more about this or you have never heard about this, then stay with me and I will show you how to find a group close to you, how to join it, and what to expect as SolidWorks User Group member. Believe it or not, SolidWorks User Groups are out there for quite a long time. They could be area-specific like Nairobi SolidWorks User Group or topic-specific like PDM SolidWorks User Group. You can have also process-specific like CNC or 3D print. There are many different SolidWorks user groups out there. What is the goal? The goal is to bring you together, to learn from each other, to network, and to have fun together once in a certain period of time. To find a SolidWorks user group, you should go to meetup.com. Then you go here to the search area and write SolidWorks. Then you have to enter the city or the zip code where you're looking for. I will look for Nairobi, because in my user group, the first meeting is together with Nairobi user group, and if you join it, you will meet these nice people. So now when I look like this, I find there is event on this date. And also, if you find nothing like events, you can look in groups, because there is a chance that there is a group in your area but they still don't have any upcoming event. When you search like a group, you can enter here and you will see information about the group. There is about section, there are upcoming events. Here you can see also the members. You can see also the past events. And all you have to do is just hit this button, join this group. If you want to join an event, then you have to enter in the event and choose if you will attend online or offline. As I said, some of the events are in person. People are meeting in person after Corona restrictions and are down in many areas. I do believe a lot of groups will go back to live meetings. Unfortunately, my group is accepting everybody, but we have to stick to online attendance. So, what if you didn't find any user group close to you? Well, no worries. There is a link in the description of the video for workshop SolidWorks user group to which I'm leader, and it's open for everybody from everywhere and you're free to join it. If you had found a user group in your area, even better. You can join this user group and attend the upcoming events. But how you understand there is event coming? When the user group leader creates a new event, they will send a notification to all members that there is event coming. Then you can check the details about the event to see if you're interested in the topic that will be presented or not, and to decide if also the time suits for you to attend this meeting. When you decide to attend a meeting, and the day comes, you go to the meeting, meet other people, and learn something new about the topic it's about. But maybe you will also ask yourself why they are so different. If I need some information, I can just Google it or type a question in the forums. And you're correct, but then you will receive just an answer to this specific question. When you attend a meeting on a certain topic, there are a lot of users there, every with their own question, and you have also a time slot in which you can ask this question to the presenter. On the upcoming meeting, that is with Kenya Group, I will be the presenter and the topic will be assembly tips and tricks. So, if you have some questions in this area, you can ask them directly and receive answer directly from the presenter, and also this applies for the other members. And at some point, you will find out that you will receive answers to questions that you didn't know you had, to things that you probably will face in the future. But they didn't come to your mind now because it's not a problem for you now. And this way, you learn much more. And that's the best part about SolidWorks User Group, the personal meeting with other people. If you like this video and the information in it, don't forget to give it a like. This way you show me that you support everything that I do for you. And I hope I will see you next time. Bye!